Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. And turn on notifications by clicking on that bell icon. Soros-backed St. Louis Circuit Attorney withheld major evidence in Governor Greitens' case, must resign immediately. Now, St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner must resign immediately. After a hearing last week, allegations arose that Gardner suborned perjury and deliberately withheld exculpatory evidence in the bogus prosecution of Governor Eric Greitens. Now, all of this comes after continuing allegations that the Circuit Attorney Gardner has abused her position. She has allegedly used her office as a mini-inquisition, a punitive, partisan, and personal war against Governor Greitens. Rather than use St. Louis City Police to investigate the case and inform her decision to charge Greitens, she hired an out-of-state disgraced former FBI agent whose career ended amid allegations of perjury. Now, according to attorney sources, even if the St. Louis Circuit Court refuses to sanction Gardner, she could still face suit by Greitens once his criminal case is over. Notably, prosecutors do not enjoy immunity from civil suit when they manufacture evidence and maliciously prosecute a defendant. Now, Gardner's outrageous and disgraceful abuse of the judicial system is unacceptable, is absolutely unacceptable. Now, she must resign immediately or be removed from office. Now, Gardner took money from a Soros-backed PAC during the election as well. A hearing was held Thursday, April 12, 2018 in the city of St. Louis, less than 24 hours after the Special Investigation Committee on Oversight released a report that alleged the governor sexually and physically assaulted his former lover, K.S. The governor was unable to defend himself before the committee because of his pending criminal trial, and a court ordered restricting the release of information obtained in the discovery. Now, the hearing addressed the governor's motion for sanctions against Circuit Attorney Kimberly M. Gardner for failing to provide exculpatory discovery and suborning perjury by lead investigator William Tisby. Now, sanctions could include a dismissal of the case. Interestingly enough, the St. Louis Circuit Court issued a gag order to the defense and prosecution the day before the sanctions hearing, giving the shocking allegations of misconduct against Gardner. We now know why. Eric Greitens tweeted out this saying, Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner had hid a video that she knew directly contradicted allegations in the House report, and she allowed her lead investigator to lie about it under oath. Now, the question of perjury stems from the deposition of William Tisby, CEO for Entera, LLC. Gardner chose not to have the St. Louis Police Department investigate the allegations against the governor and hired Entera instead. Now, Tisby, a former FBI agent, saw his career with the FBI end when it was determined that he had committed perjury. Now, Tisby was deposed by the defense in Gardner's presence on March 19th. Now, Tisby testified that there was a taped interview with KS that occurred on January 29th, but the video recorder had malfunctioned. Now, within days of the defense filing a motion to require the prosecution to turn over the video recorder that allegedly malfunctioned, the prosecution discovered that the video had still existed, amazingly, except there was no audio for about the first 25 minutes. Now, according to the defense, the video proves that there were additional perjured statements by Tisby as well. Tisby testified that he did not take notes during the interview with KS. The video, however, clearly shows Tisby taking notes, 11 pages of notes, in fact, among many other lies that Tisby possibly told and perjured himself. So be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below and tell me how you feel about this report. I mean, Circuit Attorney Gardner is a disgrace to her profession, and she should resign immediately. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Let's make America great again. Peace.